Yo, what's up creatives? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jason Anthony and I'm a full-time content creator. And on this channel, I like to teach you guys how to improve your content creating skills. I do some gear reviews for you guys. And occasionally I'll sprinkle a little vlog here and there. But today's video, I am doing a comparison between the small HD focus and the new Zhiyun Tech monitor that just came out, the Transmount monitor. Now, this monitor comes in at only $250 and the small HD focus is $500. So I want to tell you guys what type of filmmaker I think each monitor is for, why this is $250 and what makes the small HD focus $500, maybe even $600 for the Sony bundle. So let's get that started today, and I have some cool stuff for you guys coming up. And I might be doing a giveaway with this guy. I might be, yeah, stay tuned guys, you don't want to miss this. Okay, and we're back. So this is the monitor that I had picked up from Zhiyun Tech. It was only 250 bucks. I've been using this small HD focus for about 2 months now. I was like, what's making this so much cheaper? They say it has a 1080p display. Small HD focus has a 720. So how are they able to make this, cheaper? And is it any good? So that's what I'm gonna be answering for you guys today. I made a list of comparisons for pros and cons between each monitor, and I want you guys to know who this is for, what type of filmmaking you're doing. Definitely depicts which monitor to pick up, because the budget for the small HD focus is double the price of this. So who is this for, who the small HD focus is for, and my overall take. So let's check out the pros and cons first. Then I'll go over the functionality, how to go through the menu, how to set up different things with this, and all the features and everything. So let's check that out. Okay guys, so I threw together a little pros and cons list for you. Let's go over the pros of both monitors. And this is my opinion, obviously. You guys, I know I have to state this before. So the first pro, obviously, when it comes to the Zhiyun Tech monitor is the price. Affordability wise, 250 bucks on Amazon. You cannot beat that for a field monitor with all these features. There's a 1080 display on the monitor itself. And one of my favorite features besides the focus peaking, the zebras, the false color would be the fact that when pairing this monitor with the Zhiyun Tech Crane 2, you do not need a battery. The DC wire will power on the monitor while you're flying this on your gimbal, keeping your setup even lighter because these batteries can get a little bit heavy depending on the mAh size. So another thing I love about the guys over at Zhiyun is that they give you all the necessary cables that you need. They give you 2 different HDMI cables, a mini and a micro. Now, when you get the small HD focus, it comes with a micro HDMI to a micro HDMI cable, but it's not long enough. So I had to go on Amazon and find the NANOSECOND Extreme Slim micro HDMI cable. Another cool thing is it did come with the sun hood like I had mentioned in my unboxing video. This appears to be a sun hood clip. And the menu straight to the point. It's very simple to navigate, and I'm going to show you guys the ease of it coming up soon. Now with the small HD focus, the main pro that stands out is the quality. It feels like you paid $500 to $600 on this monitor. It has that rubberized material, the touchscreen is awesome, and it's very responsive. One of my favorite features of the touchscreen is the pinch to zoom, where you don't have to go into the menu like the Zhiyun Tech monitor to go see the zoom. You could just literally, like an iPhone, just pinch right in and you're right there to check your focus. Another thing that I love about the small HD focus is the ability to put LUTs onto an SD card, plug that SD card right into the monitor, and then you could see those LUTs as you're recording. It also comes with a S-Log2 LUT already built in, which really helps me when I'm shooting S-Log2. On top of focus peaking, there's focus assist. Obviously, 800 nits of brightness. It's very bright in the sun. You don't need a sun hood. Sometimes I use it just in case, but you can go out in the sun, use this monitor and be 100% confident that you are going to be able to see in the bright sunny day. Flip screen feature is really cool on the small HD focus. Once again, you have to go into the menu on the Zhiyun to get to this part, but with the small HD focus, you just flip it on that rotating arm that it comes with. That's the last pro that I have to say for this part. It's just very easy, very fast. If you want to go into, say, selfie mode, or you want to record a YouTube video, all you have to do is rotate that screen and instantly it flips right away, and then you could see yourself in the monitor. Okay, and now for the cons. 330 nits of brightness, it's not that bright. I wish it was a little bit higher like the Socani monitors, but it is what it is. The one thing I didn't like is I personally wasn't able to find a way to use zebras and focus peaking at the same time. That's a huge issue for me. I like using multiple features at the same time to really make sure everything is fine-tuned. Another thing is it does feel a little cheap. You can feel the plastickiness is there. And then once again, you're limited on the settings. So for, say, zebras, you only have a 70 IRE or 100 IRE option. You can't fine tune it like you can on the small HD monitor. When it comes to the small HD monitor, obviously the cost is a factor. $500 for the regular version if you want the Sony bundle with the dummy battery and the battery pack, that's $600. Learning curve, there's a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, the small HD focus is awesome. There's just a lot of different options, and that's what took me a little bit of time of getting used to. And the last thing is I'm going to show you, I had a battery lock issue. On the Zhiyun monitor, it's very easy. The battery slides right in. You pull the lever down, it snaps into place, push the lever up, comes right out. Small HD focus gives me a little bit more trouble. As you guys can see, I have to use a key sometimes. As much pressure as I do with my thumb, I just can't get it free. That lip just doesn't go down to clear the battery in order for it to slide out. Not sure if this is an issue with other people, but it is that I'm having. Okay, so those are my pros and cons with these two monitors. Now let's get into the menu on the Zhiyun monitor, and I'll show you a couple cool features about it. So let's check this out. The menu's super easy on the Zhiyun monitor. The scroll wheel, you just literally press in, and then you have your menu option. You have auxiliary function, auxiliary line, picture settings, color settings, etc. And then all you need to do is press the button on the top once more to enter the sub menu, and then you could go ahead and scroll left or right. Peaking color, zebra pattern, histogram, volume bar, camera mode, and then return. So that's pretty straightforward right there. If you go to monochrome display, you have a red, green, and blue option. False color, you just turn on and off. It looks really good in my opinion. Pretty accurate. You have your meter also. Focus peaking, you have different levels. You have low and high. Then you could choose your peaking color, blue, red, green. And then zebra pattern, like I showed you guys before, you have a 70 IRE or 100 IRE option. Histogram's pretty straightforward, on and off. And then you could turn the volume bar on or off, and you could see it on the bottom left corner of the monitor. And I'm talking at this time, so you could see that going off. For the auxiliary line menu, you have an on-off option for the center mark. It's a little crosshair. We have a safe area, so it gives you different bars around that perimeter. So if you want to use cinematic bars, same with auxiliary line ratio. So there's two different features here. One, I guess you could crop in, say for Instagram or some other size resolution. And then we have your standard auxiliary line ratio. And you have like 4x3, you have your standard bars, a bunch of cool stuff right there. And then you can pick your color of the auxiliary line and also have an option if you want it transparent or a solid. In picture settings, you have your aspect ratio, scan mode, pixel to pixel, zoom like I mentioned earlier. You have two different flip options, horizontal and vertical, which I'm showing you guys right now. And then you have a screen freeze. I don't know who would want to freeze the screen, but it's there. For hotkey settings, I have my F1 selected to false color, F2 for focus peaking, and F3 for zebra patterns. So what type of filmmaker do I think the Zhiyun Tech monitor is for? I would think it's for people getting into film, people who want a film monitor but are on a budget, someone who's looking to make travel videos and do little projects here and there and can use the sun hood and not really be affected by the brightness. It's my only gripe. I really wish it was a little bit brighter. Besides that, the small HD focus I say is for more prosumers, more entry to pro level guys that are, you know, filming for restaurants and doing promotional videos for companies and brands that are on set if they want an affordable monitor. Don't get me wrong, it's not an Atmos, you know, Ninja or Inferno that has like the crazy big screen and all those features, but the small HD focus really is great. I know this just shut off. So the small HD focus, it's my favorite go-to monitor. I love all the features. Hopefully I can reach out to them and ask them about the battery issue. I don't know if it's just my model, but that's really it. That was the review, guys. And now for the announcement. Let's just get this over with. I'm sure you guys are tired of me talking. At 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving this away with my Lightroom presets and my Premiere LUT pack for you guys. So in the description below, there's a link. There's a couple different ways to get entries, so make sure you use all of them. And good luck to whoever wins. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm like 240 away, so that should be pretty quick. Check me out on Instagram, guys, at I'm_Jason Anthony. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys soon, and don't forget to drop me some thumbs up, guys. I'm trying really hard, working really hard at this, so I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.